Alright, it's December 8th, 2022, and I built this, I guess about a month ago. I've got 2/10 of a mile on it. I believe I'm going to go ahead and put it on the market. But one thing that's been bugging me the whole time is since I put this fat rim on here, and it's got those spacer holes in there. This whole front end being red has really bugged me. Both were red, but went ahead and bought these little oval decals. I'm putting them on here. And then I'm going to go ahead up and buy some satin black paint and paint these wheels. And then remove these stickers. Seeing if I can go ahead and pretty close to match that in the back. It's not going to be an exact match. Those aren't perfect ovals. Or I guess those are perfect, but different type of oval. But whatever the case, I'm going to make this look closer to that. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and put this on the market. One just like this would cost you about $1,500. I'm thinking about asking about $850. But anyway, that's where the stance on the e-bike, on this particular one, I'll call this number 2. All right, later. All right, we're getting a little closer. It's not quite exactly how I would like it, but gonna have to do. A little bit of glue has stopped, and I have touched a couple places up here. I was gonna wait for it to dry, but then I was afraid it might solidify too much on the edge of these decals, and I might have more of a problem. So, not real bad. I might have to come in here with a little paintbrush and touch up a couple of little spots. Right here I touched it. But anyway, this is the direction we're going. For looks, just strictly for the look, trying to make it match. Play match game if we can, and I should be able to get the rest of this gluey paper. I should probably be able to get that off with a little soap and water in a few days. I'll wait till this paint totally cures. But yeah, there's the back wheel, there's the front wheel, so we're coming right along. Well, it's not quite as good as I wanted it to. Some of the glue on these decals stuck, but I'll wait 2 or 3 days, and then I have some goof off that I will use on them. But not too awful bad. I mean, if you get right up on it, then you can see, but it's still not all that bad. At least it matches the back a little better. All right, later. All right, so there it is. This bike's complete. Except for a tail light, this bike's ready to be sold.